Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the function keys on MSI Stealth. Here are the function keys and they have two actions. So the F1, F2, F3, F4 and all of that, it has an assigned action in system and they may be really different. So for some apps, the F1 will be opening help, the F11 will be opening full screen and all of that. If you press on Alt and F4, you close an app, or if you don't have any app opened on the screen, then if you click on Alt F4, you can shut down the system with it. Then there are also the action buttons, which are muting the volume, turning the volume down, etc. And it really depends which action is the primary one. And the primary can be used by just clicking on the key. So you can see now I turn the volume down. And if I wanted to actually open help with the F1 key, you can see now it mutes the volume. And if I want to open help, I need to click on Fn and F1 at the same time, and it should open help. But you can also switch it up, so the F keys, the F number, will be your primary function when you click on Fn and escape. Now you can see it does not mute the screen, mute the volume, but if I go into a website or like into the Microsoft Edge, now I click on F1, it opens help. And if I click on Fn escape, then now this key mutes my speaker. And now I'm going to explain what all of these keys mean, like with the symbols. So this is muting volume, turning volume down, turning volume up, disabling the touchpad, disabling microphone, disabling camera. This is honestly, I don't know, it's the mode. Like for example, the performance mode, balanced, then cool, battery mode or custom, and custom can be customized in the MSI Center app. Then this is for keyboard backlight, but I can't find it to work. Then this one turns the brightness down, this one turns the brightness up. Then this is for screen sharing settings, as you can see here. And then this one is for rotating the screen. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.